Alright guys, so what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. As you see in the introduction, man, we do got a pair of the Crocs Pollex made by Salehe Bembury, the citrus milk. And I must say, the reason why I'm bringing these slides is because you know what? Right around the corner, you already know what time it is, man. Summertime is on the way, and you already know everybody bringing out their slides, the foam runners. They're bringing everything out right now because, you know, it's that time, baby. Alright, so just jumping right into it. We're going to just show you off this nice little box it actually comes in. And just to let you guys know, this pair is, again, for the wifey. I didn't cop this pair. As you already know, I do got the Crocs Sasquatch, which I'll show y'all later in the video, man. But here it comes in a nice box, as you can see. Nice clear box, as you can see. And the nice brown cardboard style looking. And you see these came inside of it, which actually looks absolutely phenomenal. I do like the little citrus look, but we will do some comparing with it right now. But here, again, man, nice little fine little box that comes in the slide. I think they did actually good with it. But what we have here for you right now, guys, is the Crocs Salehe Bembury citrus milk right here in hand. And I do like this nice bright colorway. It is actually great. As you can see, it is actually smooth. It does come with a nice little grooves ruffle with it, which is pretty much the fingerprint of Salehe Bembury. As you can see here, we got the nice little fingerprint here, and I believe in, if I'm wrong, I think this is the same thing as well. Y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all already know I'll be missing some stuff. Y'all know I don't be playing no games. I miss a lot of stuff. As you can see here, we do got a nice little I call it, I don't know if it's like the grooves or whatever you want to call it, the little small ball groove through it here. And as you can see, we do got Crocs here on the back heel of the actual sneaker here. Now, what I said before, man, guys, y'all already know, man. I think this is a perfect sandal, perfect slide for the actual summertime. Again, it's nice and bright, and I think it fits my wifey really good. So I know she definitely like these type of slides here. For myself, man, just comparing to it, I know you already know I do have me a pair of the actual Adelaide 22s here. I do have this colorway, and I do have an all black colorway. I do think that these are actually pretty cool too. Comparing to it, for me, I do like more of a sturdier look. These here, they are actually sturdy. So comparing to them, which one I will actually go to, I'm gonna still actually stick with this for me as a male. I feel like it's just more of a sturdier fit for me. As you can see here, it's just a difference. This is a little more thinner. I just feel like, you know, it's more for my wife. But I could be wrong. But yeah, that is the Adelaide 22s compared with these actual Salehe Bembury citrus milks. Going to the ones I actually do have, which is the actual other pair, is the I do have the Sasquatches here. I do love these. I wear these on everything right here. I wear them a lot. Compared to them, these are still cool though. I mean, they're cool. They're very light. So I'm gonna say you can't beat it, guys. I mean, this is an actual good slide. So I mean, definitely perfect for the summer. So but yeah, definitely get you one. Again, I won't see myself wearing these, but I mean, they are actually great. You know, I do still like them. I'm not gonna say that I don't like them. I do like more of the bulkier type. Now, look for more comfortability. As you can see, I do have a pair of the actual Yeezy slides as well. And again, compared to the Yeezy slide to these here, I don't know which one you go with. I'm sure everybody would say Yeezy slide. Again, these are more durable. I think they are the more durable way to go. And these here are they cushion? Yeah, they're like cushion. But if you look for more durability, go with these here, man. I'm telling you, they are very, very, very durable. As you can see, they're very durable. Now don't let me kill the vibe in here. The cushion is not like a Yeezy slide, but hey, they still get the job done. So I mean, there's not too much more I can really speak on it. We did the sizing wise. I believe she went with her actual size, which I don't know exactly. I think she got this in a men's 5, women's 7. So yeah, these are the perfect fit for her. Definitely go with your size here, and you won't definitely go wrong with that. But hey, man, that's all I pretty much got. There ain't too much more I can really say with these, man. Here we got the citrus milks, and you won't go wrong with it. Copy a pair. I think you will like this here, man. A good summer vibe thing. Yeah. That's all I got, guys. Again, love and blessings. I thank you so much, man. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Again, man, we're bringing videos out to you, man. I'm glad to be back, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one, y'all. Peace.